Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 6 Soil Conservation and Erosion we are doing. In previous two videos, we had discussed what is soil, how soil is formed, what is soil erosion, and what are the causes of the soil erosion. Today, we will discuss soil conservation. First of all, what is the meaning of conservation? To prevent or to protect is called the conservation. Here, soil conservation means the protection of the soil against the erosion is called the soil conservation. In your textbook on page number 53, last yellow color box, it is given the definition of the soil conservation, and here also in the very first line I had given prevention or the protection of soil against the erosion is called the soil conservation, or in other words, prevention of the loss of soil is called the soil conservation. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. You know, nature took millions of years to form the soil. How the soil is formed, in very first video I had explained you that big rocks, they disintegrate into small particles. Again, that small particles, they broke into smaller pieces, and it will take thousands of years to do this process, and then these tiny particles change into the loose material which we call the soil. So it took millions of years and the thousands of years to form the soil. So it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it. We cannot stop natural forces like wind and water from causing the soil erosion. It is not in our hand. But what is in our hand, that we can do it to protect the soil. However, soil can be conserved by controlling the actions of these agents of erosion. This can be done in a number of ways. There are lots of ways that you can control, you can preserve the soil against the erosion. First, by afforestation. First of all, in that previous video also I had explained you what is the meaning of afforestation. Growing more trees is called afforestation. Planting new trees and plants is called afforestation. We live because plants live. You know that all that living beings, those who are living on this planet Earth, they are dependent on that plant. So if plants die, all living things also die. So new trees should be planted. Growing trees is another effective method of soil conservation on the hill slopes. You know that when on that running water is there, when it come down from the hill, it also carry the soil with them and erode the soil. So growing trees is another effective method on the hill slopes. Crop rotation. How rotation you are doing in your class? In that way, same thing you have to do on your farms or on your fields. After harvesting and before raising the next crop, when the fields lie bare, जब आप नई फसल उगाते हो और पहली फसल निकाल दी है, उसके बीच में when the fields are bare, empty, at this time the wind blows off the soil, and at this time when the strong wind blows, at the time soil is also carried with that strong wind and it blows off the topsoil. So to prevent the soil from getting blown away, so if you want to stop the prevention of the soil erosion, or if the soil is not blown away, then what you have to do? Farmers should grow cover crops such as grass and the creepers. See figure 6.5 given in your textbook. To prevent the soil from blowing off, farmers grow cover crops or the grass. Like this way, when that field or that farm is empty, at the time you should cover that farm or field with the grass or the creepers. So what will happen, all that roots they will bind the soil particles tightly, और वो बहुत तेज़ हवा आएगी तो वो ब्लो नहीं होगा. That's the soil. The roots of the plants of this cover crops hold the soil particles together and prevent them from erosion being blown away. Trees and bushes can also be grown along the boundary of the fields. So when you are going from one place to another place, at that time you might have seen on that highways so many farms and the fields are coming on your way. At the time you might have seen that all that farms and fields, they are covered with that, their boundaries are covered with the trees or the bushes. Why? So they will act as a shield against the strong winds. So when the strong winds will blow, at the time if your farms or if your fields are bounded with the boundary with the trees and the bushes, so when that flowing water or the strong wind blows, that soil won't be carried away. It will stop, it will be remain in your fields only and in your farms only. So whatever fertilizer or whatever chemicals you are using in that farms or fields, it won't blow away. On fields near rivers. During the monsoon, many rivers overflow and flood the fields. जब तेज़ बारिश होती है, at the time so many rivers and so many ponds and puddles, they are overflooded. So to prevent the floods, embankments. What is the meaning of embankments? That wall you are constructing along the river bank, it is known as the embankment, are built. So you should build the embankments along the river banks to prevent the floods. What will happen because of this? They will hold the water between the banks and prevent the soil erosion. So water will remain in that wall only. It won't overflooded and it won't blow and it won't go. So this is the another method, that on fields and near the rivers, what type of the arrangements you can do, so you can prevent the soil erosion and you can conserve the soil. Next, on hill slopes, cutting the slope into steps or the terraces. You have to cut the hills into steps or the terraces. Cut it in, you know what is the meaning of the steps. In the form of the steps, you cut that hill, so they can reduce the soil erosion. What will happen? Steps will slow down the flow of the water. So when the water will flow from the top part of that hill, so when it will come down, at that time it will slow down the flow of the water. As the water flow slows down, some soil from one step is left on the next step, reducing the amount of the soil lost. So like this way you can also prevent the soil erosion on the hill slopes. Students, on page number 54, think green it is given. We celebrate Earth Day every year on 22nd of April. 3Rs. To save the earth and its resources, follow these 3Rs. Reduce, reuse and recycle to protect the environment. Let us say it again, means that main summary points given before the MCQ. 4 points are given. Soil is the foundation of all life on earth. Second, the wearing down and carrying away of soil is called soil erosion, is caused by natural and the human factors. Soil erosion, it is both is done by the natural factors also it is done, and we human beings by the human factors also it is affected. Protection of soil against the erosion is called soil conservation. Soil is conserved by growing cover crops in plains, making terraces on hills, and building embankments along river banks. These are the main 4 summary points that also you have to remember. And on page number 53, oral questions given, that also in the previous video we had discussed. So students, read each and every line of your textbook chapter thoroughly. Thank you students.